Hello and welcome back to Hammer Candles. So today we're going to make two things. We're going to make two products. So the first product we're going to make is we're going to make incense. So they're going to go from this to this. And here is one that has been burning because I'm sitting in here relaxing. So here's one that has already been saturated with solution and it was ready to burn. And then the second product we're going to make is car air fresheners. So it's summertime, well, almost summertime, but it's getting warmer outside. So now it's time for us to get a re-up on our car air fresheners. So these are two new ones I have. Well, Gain has been there, but I stopped it and I brought it back. So Gain is back if you want a fresh scent. Pineapple Paradise is a new one that's there. This is my pineapples mixed with coconut milk. And then I have a fan favorite, which is Georgia, because in Georgia here, we're Georgia peaches. So we have these three. So let's get started. Since we're making two things tonight, we're going to start with the car air fresheners first. And we are going to make two popular scents. And the first one is the one that smells like detergent. So we're going to use that because people like those in the car air fresheners. And then I will put up here the one that I have hanging in my car, so you can see it. Oops, I forgot they come with the stopper already on there. And just remember, when you hang them up, guys, take the stopper out after you got them hung up on your rear view mirror. Remember to take the stopper out. So many people come back and say they don't smell anything, it's not working. And then I say, bring it to me, and they bring it to me. And that's my dog, sorry. And they bring it back to me, and the stopper hasn't been in there. It hasn't been taken out. It's still full, just like this. Okay. And then I have another type, a new one, that goes on the, I'm gonna get it right, on the vent. So it comes with, because I always say visor, but this one hangs on your vent. So there's a vent clip for it as well. So I'm gonna do just a few in there because I notice guys have started picking these up now. And actually, I'm not going to put the stopper on this one. I'm going to show you. So with this one, you have this piece, and see there are holes inside there, because this is really like the this is really like the old-fashioned thing. This is the clip that will clip onto your car. You just slide it on there. Just slide it on. So it goes here, and then you put your top back on. Trying to do that. And then these go in the top. Already starting to pull up those liquids in there and diffuse them into the air. I love these now. I have two in my car actually. Okay, so we're going to set this over to the side. This thing we're going to continue. Make sure my light ain't too bright. So that one, I'll give that one to my husband. I got two. I don't need one more hanging up. Okay. And so when I do these, I always leave this part in the bag, and I put this back inside the bag so that everyone will have all their pieces when they come and purchase it. So you can get the vent clip, yes. You can get the vent clip, or you can get the one that hangs on the rear view mirror. So that is that. I got a little more. I can do one more vent clip. Okay, so that's that one. Let's just move these over here for now. All right, so now that we got our car air fresheners made, now we're going to do some freshening for the house. So like you seen at the beginning, it was the incense. So we're going to do the same scents. This is 100 sticks already. I don't have to count them because they come to me bundled up in hundreds. So this is a pack of 100 sticks. Okay, so I laid those down first, and we use this little handy dandy base that helps it get into the sticks. And I'm also going to do these in gain. Now this will be the first time I've done these in gain, but since gain is popular right now, so okay. Okay, so then, okay, so these are the sticks, and they're dry, and they're going to be dry once we finish. But that's the thing with the incense, they have to sit up, and I let them sit until they're naturally dry. So here we go. We drizzle our oil all on them. Okay. All right, so now each one of the sticks have now been saturated. Okay, same thing. Okay.
Instead of dipping, I fully saturate my incense with fragrance oil. Then I wrap them in foil so they can cure properly over the next few days. Don't worry, I'll show you the final results in a short. once they're ready. Thanks for spending the afternoon in the workshop with me. And as always, remember, until next time, stay humble and kind.